How to save WhatsApp profile picture. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save WhatsApp profile picture. To save a WhatsApp profile picture, you will need to use several methods depending on your device and preferences. Also, WhatsApp has the strict policies and guidelines regarding saving images. You may not be able to save the images within it. The first step is to take a screenshot. Also, WhatsApp doesn't allow you to take screenshot, but if you have any third-party applications to take the screenshot, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now open the chat with the person whose profile picture you want to save. Once you reach to the chat page, here tap on the profile name at the top of the screen to open their profile. And once you reach to this page, here tap on the profile picture to view it in a full size. And once you have viewed it, you can take a screenshot on your device. Unable to take screenshots, then you may also use the file manager of your Android device in order to check the WhatsApp folder. First of all, open your file manager. Here find the media option. If you didn't find it, you may also tap on the search icon at the top right, and then in the search bar type in media. Now search for it. Once you find the media, you will need to simply tap on it, and inside it now look for WhatsApp profile pictures. Once you find the option, tap on it, and here you may find previously viewed profile pictures saved automatically by WhatsApp. If in case you didn't see the profile pictures, that means WhatsApp has the strict rules and regulations that restricts you to save profile pictures of others. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.